Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in for today's video. If you're an old subscriber, thank you so much for coming back, and if you are new to my channel or you are just knowing about my existence, thank you as well for clicking on this video. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how I achieved this beautiful headband wig using my bra. Yeah, you heard me right, using my bra. So this is the hair I used. It's a curly hair, and this particular hair is a synthetic hair. You can use any kind of hair you want. And this is the dome cap I'll be using. I placed my dome cap onto my mannequin head. So this is how you should place your wig cap, but I'll turn the back to the front because of the style I'm going for. I wanted the wig to be a ponytail. I want to be wearing this particular headband wig in a ponytail style. So I turned it, and then I will start sewing the hair from ear to ear. So instead of placing your tracks like this, like the normal way you would sew any weave, I'll turn mine like this and start sewing.
Behind these eyes, secrets lie. Behind your walls, broken doors. A single rose, a thorn will grow. Tell me your fears, they'll stay right here. You're in so deep, feel my skin on top of yours. Can we begin? You're in so deep, you too much. Loving me, so let it run. I want you to love me. I want you to hurt me. I want you to save me. I want you to love me. I want you to hurt me. I want you to save me. I want you to. I want you to. I want you to save me.
Dive in. You might never see the bottom, but the mystery is awesome. Don't let me be forgotten. A single rose, a thorn will grow. Tell me your fears, they stay right here. You're in so deep, you feel my skin on top of yours. Can we begin? You're in so deep, you see too much. Loving me, so little rough.
I want you to love me. I want you to.
Because this wig is a ponytail wig, I sewed the first 2 tracks very close to each other, and I sewed 6 tracks facing up at the back. So I'll remove the dome cap, turn it to the front, and continue sewing like the normal way you sew. But I didn't just sew it straight like that. I sewed one line facing back and the second one facing up, the other one interchangeably like that. That was how I continued sewing till I got to the front. And I'm just showing you guys here how the hair is looking. So it's remaining one track for me to cover the front part. I will go ahead and sew the last track down, and then I'll come back to show you how I did the band. So this is the headband I used. I'll cut the headband along the same that I'm showing you, and after cutting it, I'll place it on my wig, pin it down, and sew it properly to the wig. And while sewing your band to your wig, you want to make sure that you are using the same color as your headband. Make sure you are using the same color, because the thread will be showing and you don't want another color of thread to be showing through your headband. If you want to see a proper video of how I attach headbands to headband wigs, I have a tutorial on that. I will put it in the cards so you can check that out.
But the mystery is awesome. Don't let me be forgotten. A single rose.
After sewing down the band, I'll go ahead and attach combs to the wig. You don't have to do this if you don't have a wig comb. And this is the fun part of this tutorial. You go ahead and look for any of your old bra, and this is the part of the bra that we'll be using, the bra hook. But girl, I won't be using this bra. I'll be using this one that I got from AliExpress. Your girl has run out of old bras because I've used all my old bras for my wig caps. Yes, my headband wigs. So you don't have to buy a bra hook. If you have an old bra laying around in your house, just pick it up, cut the back parts out, and attach it to the band of your headband wig. You can also use velcro tape, but I don't like using that. I prefer to use a bra hook, because that velcro thing, if it catches your hair, in fact you'll be in for it. So I prefer using a bra hook. So yeah, that is it guys, and this is the finished product of the wig. I'll go ahead and try the wig out.
Behind these eyes, secret sign. Behind your walls, broken doors. A single rose, a thorn will grow. Tell me your fears, they'll stay right here. You're in so deep, feel my skin on top of yours. Can we begin? You're in so deep, you too much, loving me, so let it run. I want you to love me, I want you to hurt me, I want you to save me. I want you to love me, I want you to hurt me, I want you to save me. I want you to, I want you to save me.
Dive in. You might never see the bottom, but the mystery is awesome. Don't let me be forgotten. A single rose, a thorn will grow. Tell me your fears, they stay right here. You're in so deep, you feel my skin on top of yours. Can we begin? You're in so deep, you see too much. Loving me, slid of life. I want you to love me. I want you to.
Behind these eyes, secrets lie. Behind your walls, broken doors. A single rose.
This is the finished look, guys. This hair came out beautifully, and headband wigs are expensive. I checked online recently and I saw that they sell it for 100 and something euros, 200 and something. That is too expensive for me, at least. So if you can do something like this for yourself, it should be nice. If you want a headband wig, you can do something like this for yourself. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, and also share with your family, friends, and your loved ones. Thank you all so much for watching, and I love you all. See you all in my next one. Bye.